Say hello to the GBA 900RD4A, the super red G-Shock you definitely don't want to miss. You know we have been waiting long enough to review this model, because this G-Shock always run out quickly before it reaches our desk. Hello and what's up everyone? Okay, the G-Shock GBA 900 is one of the analog digital models that has been very popular in the past year, being the successor to the sport model GBA 800, which was also very successful. The G-Shock GBA 900 is presented with several advantages but at the same price. It is more reliable, more trendy, and brings better features than before. And the G-Shock GBA 900RD4A is the ultimate weapon that will be difficult for anyone to resist. Comes with a combination of an elegant black dial with a very eye-catching vibrant red color, the GBA 900RD4A is absolutely beautiful. Double big ventilation characterize the G-Shock GBA 900. Not only provide a refreshing airflow, it also adds to the beauty of this watch. The button designs is also getting better with the addition of display buttons that are not available on the previous model. In our opinion, this is a $130 watch with a very serious toughness, but when compared to other brands currently on the market, it would be safe to say this model is quite behind when it comes to features. But make no mistake, the G-Shock does go a different way than most of today's smartwatches, because features are not the focus of the development of the G-Shock so far, but its strength and toughness. And again, in our opinion, this method has been quite successful in getting the attention of buyers. Casio also presents a watch that is very easy to wear. No recharging every few days and no updating software every month. You just need to wear it on your wrist and you are good to go. You can this for 2 years before having to replace the battery. The G-Shock GBA 900RD4A is an all-around watch that you can use for any activity, especially if you only plan on having one watch that you can rely on all day. The G-Shock GBA 900 definitely is a great choice. The size is also very ideal for all your activities from traveling, working, and can also be used for some easy running. And with a weight of only 61 grams, it's obviously not to make your hands feel tired. What we love about the GBA 900RD4A is its compact size. You can wear it all day and still very comfortable. And of course, the compact size is a must for sport watches. The GBA 900RD4A is designed for you who want to include running in daily life. But the vibrant red color of the GBA 900RD4A is what impressed us the most. It's a matte red from the bezel to the resin band, perfectly combined with the black on the dial. If you have known G-Shock for a long time, then you will know that the models with the RD code are always the best sellers. The GBA 900 is very lightweight thanks to the resin material, which also protects against impact when dropped. All buttons receive protection called button guards. It's the bezel that's designed to stick out to protect the buttons. But to be honest, the button guards takes away the elegance of the GBA 900RD4A. In our opinion, Casio managed to put a large LCD on this analog digital model. This is clearly larger than the LCD on the previous GBA 800 model. But in running conditions, you may still find it difficult to read all the data and information on the LCD display. There are 5 buttons that you can access to operate the G-Shock GBA 900RD4A. Button design in our opinion is very simple, and unfortunately there is no dedicated like button provided by Casio for this model. But again, the G-Shock GBA 900 is one of the best-selling analog digital models in the G-Shock low-end category. The combination of sleek design and running features make this model quite attractive to many people. And you know what, there is no doubt that Casio is also trying very hard to attract the attention of the consumers by offering their latest G-Shock Move application through this G-Shock GBA 900. With the G-Shock Move application, you can see your daily step records, daily calories burn, and also your daily distance travel every day. You can also record your more specific running or walking activity, which will display various data such as distance, running time, speed, calories, and others. In addition, there is also a personal data record that will record the further distance, fastest average speed, and also the longest time you have been running. But remember, this model does not provide other sport activities such as swimming, cycling, and other sports that you usually find on sport watches of other brands. The G-Shock GBA 900 also doesn't have its own GPS device on the watch, but use an accelerometer sensor to measure distance and speed. This is of course will affect the measurement results, which are certainly not as accurate as using GPS. The lighting from the G-Shock GBA 900 looks surprisingly bright on both the analog and LCD screen. This watch will be very functional when you use it for activities such as running at night. And just look at the red resin band of this watch. Casio designed it with many holes and the addition of two big fans to help circulate the fresh air. Casio also used a very soft and flexible urethane material for the G-Shock GBA 900 band. The band material is maybe the best we ever tried for the G-Shock watch in the lower middle class. The G-Shock GBA 900 RD4A of course comes with a shock-resistant structure that has been Casio mainstay so far. Water resistance of up to 200 meters remains a feature that is very difficult to match. With a battery life of up to 2 years, the G-Shock GBA 900 RD4A is an energy-efficient monster. All of this is what really distinguishes the ability of a G-Shock from other brands' watches. Okay, that's our review for the G-Shock GBA 900 RD4A model. For $130, this model is still a great buy, especially if you are getting ready to start some easy running. Hopefully, this review has provided some of the information you need. Thank you for your time and see you in our next video.